We're based in London, right in the centre in Somerset House, and we create an on-demand manufacturing platform to enable businesses to offer customization to their customers and bring it through the entire supply chain as well. We give people the opportunity to customize garments. So we started off in knitwear, but we've also moved into print, and we also do some embroidery as well. We work with big brands, so multinational brands from all over the world, and we work with them in building into their websites so their consumers can go onto their site, play around with something, whether it's changing a name, a dynamic pattern, whatever it might be, which fits in with the brand's DNA. And then once it's purchased, it gets sent direct to manufacture. With Unmade, what we've done is we've built the technology behind so we can actually change how the machine files get sent to the machine, so we can see like what material you're wanting to use, what machine are you sending it to, which factory is it, and it can actually make the manufacturing program which you specifically need. So it's taking that step further, so that it's not just assembly and how something's made, it's actually like looking at how do you make the actual structure of the fiber. Well, there's myself and two co-founders, Hal and Ben. They both have backgrounds in engineering, whereas my background is in fashion, particularly in knitwear. But we all met through the Royal College of Art in London, where we all were studying design in different forms. And off the back of that, we were working on a project where we were looking at athletes' clothing, and actually the problems of getting things custom made for these athletes, because they need very specific performance, and obviously they've all got their very individual body shapes, and how to be able to do that was really difficult. And Hal and Ben just couldn't fathom how it was so hard to be able to produce these individual garments. So we started to look at how we could make things which were individual each time. So it was much more aligned with other industries, such as if you want to make a one-off prototype in, I don't know, a PCB or something, you can design a lot of it at home using specific software that anyone can use once you've had a bit of training, and how we could reflect that into the fashion industry. There isn't really been any change just within the fashion industry. Like our actual, how the supply chain works hasn't changed that much since the 1960s when it was optimized for unit cost. So our view at Unmade is that we're now ready for the next transformation. So it's the end of mass production and mass consumption, and it's about making unique items only once an order has been created and purchased.